Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are resonating with the readings. Do like the channel, subscribe the channel, and click on the bell icon. And as I have been giving mudras for Sunday today, somehow I feel that health-wise, some of you are feeling very low, some of you are feeling very irritated, and some of you are also feeling very down. Maybe do the Linga Mudra today. Two things I feel Linga Mudra helps in. One is manifestation process, and other is full body healing process. Again, as I always say, you can Google and you will know how the Linga Mudra is done. And Linga Mudra is one of the most powerful mudras for healing our inner body also, and at the same time for us to become stronger. So that's the reason I'm giving Linga Mudra as the mudra for today. Any point of the day you can do for 10 minutes. And also, when you're doing this, if you can chant Om Namah Shivaya 108 times while doing this mudra, the energies will become much beautiful. Today the color I feel is red. And those who are at home, some people ask me, we don't go out anywhere, so we just sit at home, so should we follow the color? Now in that case, those who are at home and they don't want to go out, so then instead of red you can have a red apple, so or you can have something, a red fruit. So that again actually makes it up for the color, so you can even do that. So now let's see what is in store for cards today. Okay, 6 of cups. Some of you are having beautiful time with your children, but I feel some of you are thinking about the beautiful memories of the past or emotional memories of the past, and enjoying in that flow, that how things used to be. So maybe it is just beautiful memories. Enjoy the moment and everything will go well. So now, as I said, I think these are emotional memories only. So today overall you will be having all beautiful memories, and you will be recollecting some beautiful moments of your life. And at the same time, I feel you will need to spend some time with your kids and your pets, because I feel emotionally you have some sort of a turmoil going inside you. But when you spend time with your children, or when you spend time with your pets, these turmoils change into happiness, and then you at a point forget what has happened and you go with the flow. So today, don't get emotionally down. Take the memories as good memories, take the memories as beautiful lessons that you've learned in life, and have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead.